There is a saying, when walking, walk, when eating, eat. This simplicity carries profound wisdom. Be fully present in each moment, and decisions will naturally unfold. What impact will your decisions have on your relationships, career, and overall well-being? As the Buddha once wisely said, do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment. By embracing the art of swift decision-making inspired by Buddhist principles, you open the door to a life of profound simplicity, authentic connection, and inner fulfillment. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches every corner of our lives, a topic we often navigate without much thought, but one that holds the power to shape our destiny. I'm talking about the art of decision-making. But before that, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's embark on a path of enlightened choices. We struggle with decision-making due to our fear of making the wrong choice. We are concerned about the consequences of our decisions and how they may affect our lives. This fear has the potential to cause overthinking and analysis paralysis. We get so caught up in trying to make the perfect decision that we don't actually make any decisions. If you're thinking, this isn't another decision-making lecture, hold on. Today's journey is not just about making decisions, it's about transforming the way we approach them. It's about infusing each choice with the timeless wisdom of Buddhism, creating a ripple effect of clarity and purpose in every aspect of our lives. Here are some of the important principles in Buddhism. Principle 1. Embrace the present moment. In the tapestry of existence, the present moment is where our decisions unfold. Buddhism teaches us the importance of mindfulness, being fully present in the here and now. When faced with a choice, ground yourself in the present. Let go of the past, release the anxieties of the future, and embrace the clarity that comes with being fully aware in this moment. Principle 2. The stillness within. In the stillness of your mind lies the wisdom to make rapid decisions. Buddhism encourages us to cultivate inner peace through practices like meditation. By quieting the mind, we can access the intuitive intelligence that resides within us. Imagine a pond. Only when its surface is calm can you see the reflection clearly. Similarly, in the stillness of your mind, decisions become crystal clear. Principle 3. Non-attachment to outcomes. One of the fundamental teachings of Buddhism is non-attachment. When making decisions, release the grip of attachment to outcomes. Understand that life is ever-changing and outcomes are beyond our control. Instead, focus on the process, the journey of making the decision. By letting go, you free yourself from unnecessary burdens, allowing decisions to flow effortlessly. Principle 4. The dance of impermanence. Life is a dance of impermanence, and decisions are a part of this cosmic ballet. Embrace the transient nature of choices. Recognize that no decision is set in stone, and each step is a dance in the ever-changing rhythm of life. This understanding liberates you from the fear of making the wrong choice, allowing you to move with grace and adaptability. Principle 5. Intuition, the silent guide. Buddhism acknowledges the power of intuition, the silent guide that whispers from the depths of our being. Trust your instincts when making decisions. Cultivate a relationship with your inner wisdom, for it is a compass pointing towards the true north of your authentic self. In the silence between your thoughts, you will find the answers you seek. Principle 6. Compassion in action. Decisions are not solitary acts. They ripple through the interconnected web of existence. Infuse your choices with compassion. Consider not only the impact on your life but also on the lives of others. A decision made with love and understanding carries a transformative energy that transcends the self. Principle 7. Simplicity in complexity. In the complex tapestry of choices, simplicity is a beacon of light. Buddhism teaches us the beauty of simplicity. Strip away the unnecessary complexities that cloud your judgment. In simplicity, you find clarity, and in clarity, decisions become self-evident. Choose the path that aligns with the simplicity of your heart. Principle 8. Gratitude for choices. Every decision is a gift, an opportunity for growth and learning. Approach decision-making with gratitude. Gratitude opens the heart and mind, allowing you to see the abundance of possibilities. Even in challenging decisions, find gratitude for the lessons they offer. With a heart full of thanks, decisions become a celebration of life's continuous unfoldment. The art of swift decision-making lies not in the complexity of the choices, but in the simplicity of your approach. Embrace the present, find stillness within, release attachment, dance with impermanence, trust your intuition, infuse compassion, seek simplicity, and express gratitude. Now let's understand this concept even better by taking an example of a story. In fact, this is not just a story, it's an invitation to a mindset that will empower you to decide faster and live with purpose. In the serene mountains of Japan, there lived a wise monk named Master Koji. Known for his profound wisdom and remarkable ability to make swift decisions, Master Koji was sought after by people from all walks of life, eager to learn the secrets of his decisiveness. One day, a young and ambitious man named Alex, feeling overwhelmed by the constant flood of choices in life, decided to embark on a journey to seek Master Koji's guidance. Alex had heard rumors about the mystical powers of the old monk and was determined to uncover the secrets of making decisions faster. Master Koji, with his eyes that seemed to have witnessed centuries, welcomed Alex with a warm smile. The young Koji was instantly captivated by the tranquility that surrounded the master. "Master Koji," Alex began, "I'm here to learn the art of making decisions faster. My life is a constant whirlwind of choices, and I find myself stuck in a web of indecision. Can you teach me the way of swift decisions?" Master Koji nodded knowingly and gestured for Alex to join him in the meditation garden. As they sat on the smooth stones beneath the cherry blossom trees, Master Koji began to share his wisdom. "Alex, the key to making decisions faster lies in cultivating a clear and focused mind. In the noisy chaos of everyday life, one must find stillness within. Let me share with you the story of the Lotus Pond." Master Koji began narrating the tale of a humble pond nestled within the monastery grounds. The pond was adorned with vibrant lotus flowers, each representing a decision waiting to be made. As Master Koji explained, the lotus blooms beautifully when the water is still and clear. In the same way, your mind must be a tranquil pond, Master Koji advised. When the waters of your mind are undisturbed, decisions become clear reflections of your true self. To achieve this, one must embrace the art of mindfulness and meditation. With Master Koji's guidance, Alex delved into the practices of mindfulness, learning to observe thoughts without attachment. Slowly but surely, the turbulent waters of Alex's mind began to settle, revealing a newfound clarity. As the days passed, Master Koji introduced Alex to the concept of impermanence, a fundamental teaching in Buddhism. The idea that all things are transient and ever-changing encouraged Alex to let go of the fear of making the wrong decision. "Alex, decisions are like ripples on the surface of water," Master Koji explained. "They come and go, but the essence of the pond remains. Understand that no decision is permanent. Embrace the ebb and flow of life, and you will find the courage to decide without hesitation." Master Koji also emphasized the importance of adopting a Zen mindset. In the Zen philosophy, there is a saying, "When walking, walk. When eating, eat." This simplicity carries profound wisdom. Be fully present in each moment, and decisions will naturally unfold. Alex, guided by Master Koji's teachings, started applying the Zen mindset to everyday situations. The once overwhelming choices now felt like gentle streams, easily navigated with a focused mind. As Alex progressed on the path of clarity, Master Koji introduced the concept of intuitive decision-making. "Your intuition is a powerful guide," he explained. "It speaks in whispers, and to hear it, one must silence the loud chatter of doubt and overthinking." Through meditation and self-reflection, Alex began to tap into the intuitive wisdom within. The more Alex trusted these quiet nudges of the heart, the more effortlessly decisions flowed. One evening, Master Koji led Alex to a hidden garden, known only to the most dedicated disciples. In this garden, illuminated by the soft glow of lanterns, Alex discovered the Garden of Enlightenment. "This garden," Master Koji shared, "is a reflection of the choices you've made on your journey. Each stone, each plant is a decision that has shaped the beauty before you. Cherish the process, and you will find joy in every step. As the weeks passed, Alex transformed. Master Koji, content in knowing that his teachings would continue to ripple through the world, imparted one final piece of wisdom to Alex. Life is a constant journey of decisions. Embrace it fully, and you will find that the path itself is the destination. Here are a few tips for applying these principles to your life. When you are faced with a decision, take a few minutes to calm your mind and body. This will help you to approach the situation with a clear head. Consider all of your options, but don't overthink it. Trust your intuition and make a decision. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Celebrate your successes. When you make a decision that you are proud of, take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment. By following these tips, you can develop a mindset that will help you make decisions faster and more effectively. This will help you to reduce stress, anxiety, and missed opportunities. It will also help you to take action and achieve your goals. And now, before you go, I want to leave you with a challenge. For the next week, consciously apply one principle we've discussed today in your decision-making process. Whether it's embracing the present moment, practicing non-attachment, or infusing compassion into your choices, let this be the week of mindful decisions. I'll be eagerly waiting to hear about your experiences in the comments section. Your stories not only inspire me, but create a community where we can learn and grow together. Do not forget to hit that like button, share this video with a friend who might need a support in their decision-making, and subscribe to A Mind That Listens for more insightful content. Until next time, stay mindful, stay compassionate, and may your decisions be as swift as the gentle breeze that carries us through the journey of life.